Welcome back to Dine at Frugal. Today we're making this delicious lasagna recipe. To start off with, we're going to return to my non-stick pan. We're going to pour in about half a tablespoon of oil and then saute our onion until it's translucent. To that, I'm also going to add some mushrooms, and we're going to brown the mushrooms, saute the onion, and that is one of the layers that we're going to put into our lasagna. This is actually an adapted version of Paris Hilton's lasagna recipe. To our mushrooms and our onions, we're going to add chili flakes, salt and pepper. Very simple seasoning in this lasagna recipe. We're then going to go ahead and remove our onions and our mushrooms from our pan, and we're going to saute our mince and our onions until the mince is brown, our onion is translucent, and this is going to form the basis of our meat sauce. So once that mince is nice and crumbled and cooked through, we're going to go ahead and add our marinara sauce. You can use homemade marinara. I've just used a cheap bottle from the supermarket. It just made this go faster and was really easy. And then what we're going to do is we're going to allow that to simmer for about 15 minutes, stirring occasionally, uncovered. And that's going to be our meat sauce. Then we have just one more layer to make, which makes all the difference. It makes it so creamy and delicious. We're going to make our ricotta and spinach layer. So we're going to mix our smooth ricotta and our spinach. Now I just used frozen spinach that I thawed and removed all the additional liquid from. And the last thing we need to do is go ahead and assemble our lasagna. So I've got some instant lasagna sheets. I can't be bothered using the ones that you need to pre-boil. I've added a little bit of that meat sauce to the bottom, topped it with a lasagna sheet, and then put half of the meat mixture on top. And now I'm just going ahead and sprinkling half of the cheese on top of that. For the middle layer, we're going to go ahead and add our vegetables. So we're going to evenly spread out the mushroom mixture and top that with our spinach and ricotta nice and evenly. And you'll see here I'm actually making two lasagnas. One we're going to cook tonight and one we're going to freeze, because this lasagna freezes incredibly well. So again, we're going to top our vegetable layer with our instant lasagna sheets, and then we're going to just add out the remainder of our cheese on top. It's as simple as that. I actually made one for us to have dinner that night and one for us to freeze and have it on a busy night, which has helped out so much recently given some long hours that I've been doing at work. I've just baked that for 45 minutes covered and then an additional 15 minutes uncovered just to get that cheese nice and melty and golden on top. And that's all you need to do. It's ready to serve. As you can see here, Matt decided to lay into this lasagna before I could even go ahead and take the video. I hope you like this. I hope you make it. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you next time. Bye.